What essential checks should you do after building a gaming PC? Imagine turning on your brand new gaming computer for the first time. You want everything to run smoothly and avoid any surprises. After building your PC, there are some simple but important steps to follow. These checks help make sure your system works properly and is ready for gaming. First, power on your PC and watch for the post, which is the power on self-test. If it completes successfully, you'll see the BIOS or UEFI splash screen. Listen for any beep codes, as they can tell you if something's wrong. Make sure all fans, including the CPU, graphics card, and case fans, spin up. If any fan isn't spinning, it could be a sign of a connection problem. Next, enter the BIOS or UEFI by pressing the delete key or F2 during startup. Check that your boot order is correct, with your primary drive set to load the operating system. If you plan to use a solid-state drive for faster load times, make sure it's recognized and set as the first boot device. Also, verify your RAM is running at its rated speed. Enable the XMP profile if your motherboard supports it, so your memory runs at its advertised speed. Keep an eye on system temperatures and fan speeds in the BIOS to confirm cooling is working well. Disable any unused ports or onboard devices that you won't need, freeing up system resources. Once the BIOS is set, install your operating system, usually Windows, from a USB flash drive or DVD. Follow the prompts to format the drive and complete the setup. After Windows is installed, it's time to update your drivers. Download the latest versions for your motherboard chipset, graphics card, audio, and network adapters from the manufacturer's websites. Updated drivers improve stability and gaming performance. Set up your security software, like Windows Defender or an antivirus program, to keep your system safe. Install your favorite game launchers such as Steam or Epic Games, and any utilities you need for monitoring temperatures or overclocking. Now, run some temperature checks using software like HW Monitor or MSI Afterburner. During idle and gaming loads, temperatures should stay within safe limits, generally below 85 degrees Celsius for the CPU and GPU. If temperatures are high, check your cooling setup or reapply thermal paste. Stress test your system with tools like Prime 95 for the CPU and 3D Mark for the graphics card. These tests help confirm your system is stable and cooling is sufficient. If your system crashes or shows errors, you might need to adjust your settings or improve airflow. Connect your gaming peripherals, keyboard, mouse, headset, and test each one to make sure they work properly. Customize your RGB lighting if your components support it, using the software provided by your motherboard or device manufacturers. Finally, create a system restore point or backup image. This saves your current setup so you can restore it if future updates or changes cause issues. Doing these checks after building your gaming PC makes sure everything is working right from the start. It saves you time and headaches later on and ensures your system is ready to handle the latest games with confidence.